Hello class, today we are going to be talking adjectives. That's adjective. I use adjectives to describe food. We're going to talk about different flavors of food. That's what we're going to be doing today, and we're going to introduce new vocabulary. Okay, we're working on, if you have your book with you, this is page 24. If you don't have the book, that's okay. You can work in your notebook. First of all, let's do number one. Look at the pictures, read and listen. Okay, we have the pictures of ice cream, cake, cookies. What do they have in common? Okay, the common is the flavor. Ice cream, cakes, and cookies are sweet. Repeat after me so you can practice the sentences and the new vocabulary. Number two, chips are salty. Chips are salty. Okay, if you eat potato chips, what do they have in common? That they have a lot of this. They are salty. Number three, lemons are sour. Sour is the opposite of sweet. Number four, hot peppers are spicy. As you can see, this is very hot. It's very spicy. She looks like a dragon. Number five, pretzels, nuts, and crackers are crunchy. You can see that she's eating and it is crunch, 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 crunch. That is the meaning of crunchy. Number six, mangoes and oranges are juicy. Juicy. Let's review the pronunciation of the new vocabulary. Sweet, dulce, salty, salado. We don't say salad, we say salty, salado. If you say salad, that's another word, that's ensalada. Lemons are sour, los limones son agrios. Don't say sour, say sour, sour. Open your mouth and say sour. Okay, and number four, the new word is spicy. Picante. Spicy. Chile. Pretzels, nuts, and crackers are crunchy. Crunchy means crujiente. Crunchy. So oranges are juicy. 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 Jugoso. Okay, let's do exercise 2. Okay, well, actually, you have to do it at home because you only have to listen and repeat. Let's continue with number 3. Complete each statement with the correct adjective. Bananas are sweet because it's true, they are not sour. Carrots are crunchy or salty. What do you think? Carrots are crunchy or salty? When you eat a carrot, do you feel that it's salty? No, right? It's crunchy. Peaches and mangoes are spicy, picantes, sweet, dulces. Peaches and mangoes. Okay, the mango is sweet and so is the peach. So I go with sweet. Lemons are always, los limones son siempre sweet or sour. And we know by the example here that lemons are sour. Okay. For homework, you're going to do 5, 6, 7, and 8 of the exercise 3. And we're going to do the same thing with, with the listening comprehension. But with the listening comprehension, I think the sound of my computer is not so good. So we're going to have to, I don't think we can do it with the sound of my computer. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. I'm going to put my cell phone next to the computer so you can listen, because my computer sound is terrible. So I'm going to do the first exercises 2, 3, and 4. And then for homework, you don't have to copy all this, just send me the letter with the correct answer, plus this. Okay, so let's listen.
Unit 3, page 24. Vocabulary. Exercise 4. Listening comprehension. Listen to the conversations. Circle T, true, or F, false. 1.
I'm in the mood for something sweet.
Me too. What about a little cake?
Sounds good, but I'd like some cookies.
Okay, let's both have cookies.
Okay. The example here, you can see that it's false because they're both, ellos, ambos, both, they're not gonna have cake, they're gonna have cookies. Let's continue now with number 2. Let's listen. It's a continuation of number 1.
2. I love chips with a sandwich. Do you?
Not really. I like pretzels.
Well, you can have pretzels and I can have chips, okay?
Okay.
He's gonna have chips. True or false? What do you think? It's true, because she's gonna have pretzels and he's gonna have chips. Let's listen to number 3.
3.
Hey, Kate, would you like some ice cream?
I don't think so. I think I'd like something salty.
What about a little cheese and a few crackers?
Definitely.
4.
So Kate would like ice cream. They're talking about ice cream, but Kate is not having ice cream. She's gonna have something salty, so it's false.
I love spicy food.
Me too, but this food is too spicy.
Really? What is it, the peppers?
Yeah, it's the peppers. I really can't eat them.
5.
So they're talking about spicy food. She likes spicy food, but the peppers are just way too much for her.
They say mangoes and peaches are really good for you.
That's good because I love them.
Which do you like better?
Peaches. They're my favorite.
6.
Okay, so he's talking about peaches. What do you think? True or false? Let's listen to number 6.
Ron, could you please give me the pretzels?
Sure, Jenna. Here you go.
Thanks. These are so good. So crunchy.
They're too salty for me.
7.
Okay, Ron is talking about the pretzels. Are too salty for him. Right, T for true or F for false. Remember, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Part of your homework, you only have to copy the answer.
What's so crunchy in this salad?
Nuts. Do you like them in your salad?
I do.
I do too.
8.
Remember that these sentences are negative. This and this are negative. So remember, negative is not equal to. It's not always going to be equal to false. You have to listen carefully.
Oh, this mango is so sour. Mangoes should be sweet.
Well, that mango is green. Here's a better one.
Thanks. You're right. This one's delicious. Very sweet.
And finally, to complete your homework, just complete the sentences. My favorite crunchy snack is, and you have to write something crunchy. My favorite sweet foods are. Okay, I'm going to do my own example here. You do your own example at home. My favorite crunchy snack is Doritos. I love them, especially the red ones. My favorite sweet foods are. Oh, this is easy. My favorite sweet food are. Papayas and. Let me think what else. Watermelons too. I love both. So remember, you have to complete exercise 3 is 4. Exercise 4 with the listening exercise I gave you through my phone, and complete these 2 examples, these 2 sentences with your own examples. That's all. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.